major mental breakdowns, got my eye surgery, personal life, friendship thing that happened in 20. One of my elder brother who lives in UK, and it goes in my highlights. Me and my cousins made very stuck with the past. Yes, I'm living alone. Literally should mention my roommate. I'll see you guys next year. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and welcome to another video. Now this video I have been doing since 2022, and in 2022 I made a full review or a recap of 2022. In 2023 I did the same, and this year also I'm going to do the same video, and I think I'm going to do this video every year. So this is the third one. Now this video is basically where I tell you guys all about my year, how it went and everything. So yeah, this is that sort of a video, and let's get started. I have made a few categories here. Just I'll divide and I'll tell you guys about it. So the most important ones will be at the end, so please end tak dekhna if you want. So the first thing is academics. Now okay, I have to slow down a little bit. So 2024 was a very important academic year, and it was very much similar to 2022, because I had my boards, I had my exams, like all competitive exams and everything, and I left school. I left matlab I went to college this year, so that was a big huge thing for me at least. And wait, and I think I had major breakdowns related to academics this year. I had major ups and downs, which will always be memorable to me. I'll remember them, but I've learned, I have moved on from it basically. So I had my boards, I had my exams, just results were not up to the mark. I did not get satisfied. I was not happy. I had some major mental breakdowns related to it. But you know what? We all go through such things and we all come back stronger. So I believe it. I have gone through it myself, and I know that a lot of us have. So I just want to say one thing, that no matter what you go through, always look forward to what's coming, because I have done that. And 2024 may, trust me, I'm not exaggerating, I have like fallen down the deepest. How to explain, I don't know, but it was a really bad phase, and I I was like, ठीक है, मैं ज़्यादा डीप में नहीं जा सकती, but it was really bad, and I still thought कि ठीक है, opportunities will come and I will make the best out of what is there for me. जो है उसी का best हम निकालेंगे. So yeah, so that was all I think about my academics. I went to college. College is really good right now. सब कुछ ठीक ठाक ही चल रहा है. My exams are literally in like 4-5 days, but okay, but my college is going good actually. Like I thought, at least like socially I will be very antisocial in college, but you know what, I've actually got really good friends, which is in the other category, so I'll get to it later, the friends and stuff. But yeah, academically college is going fine, and if you have not watched my getting into college video, first day of college video or anything, please go and watch them. You will love it. Now that was all. Second is health. I think why do I even include this, I don't know, but I think it's an important part, at least of my everyone's life, but especially mine, because I am diabetic. So I also do this segment every year कि मैं अपने health के बारे में भी बोलती हूँ. So this year I got my eye surgery. मेरी eyes में cataract हो गया था in both my eyes, and I got my lenses changed. Like I have artificial lens right now in my eyes. So that was a really like fun, weird experience, I would say. So I got both of my eyes का lens changed. वो एक लंबा face था, I had to wear that black glass and everything. So that happened. I think I also got diagnosed with PCOS इसी साल में ना, या वो पिछला साल था? इसी साल में I think. Yeah, this year only I guess. I got diagnosed with PCOS, जिसके लिए I still have issues, but yeah, it's I think better than last few months. तो अभी ठीक ठाक है. uh, but I have to reduce my junk food intake thoda sa because yeah, it really affects your health. And yeah, that's all. And about my diabetes, it's fine, it's okay now. Third, now we are coming to my personal life and friendships and everything. So, this is the major part that I talk about. Now, talking about friends, I have got some really good classmates, guys. मेरी जो college की class है, my section and everything, I've got some really good friends, and I did not imagine कि इतनी जल्दी मेरी इतनी close friends हो जाएंगी, because I am not a very social person when it comes to like real life. Online में तो I am social, but real life में I'm not. ठीक है, मैं जब तक किसी के साथ comfortable नहीं हो जाती हूँ, my aura is really weird around them. ठीक है, but I can't believe that I'm saying this, but I really have some few like good friends around me. And yeah, I look forward to making more friends in my college, so let's see how that goes. About ending of friendships, I don't think ऐसा major कुछ हुआ है 2024 में, which I'm happy about. And you know this whole thing कि oh, I'm gonna cut people off in next year. मैं वो इस साल बिल्कुल नहीं बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे किसी को कट ऑफ नहीं करना इस साल. आई एम फाइन विथ एवरीथिंग दैट्स गोइंग ऑन. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अबाउट इट. आई लेट स्कूल, तो स्कूल के दोस्तों से मिलना जुलना काफ़ी बंद हो गया. बट that happens, that's a process of growing up, and I think that's fine. So after that, hi guys, so I was just editing the video thoda sa, and I realized that I did not talk about the most, like the major thing that happened, which is I'm living alone. And I shifted to a PG near my college. I'm living with my roommate, who is also my friend, and I forgot to talk about that completely. Like, what the hell? But just like putting this here ki I am living in a PG right now. I don't live at my home, and I visit my home and like weekends and stuff. But that is a huge thing that happened. And yeah, actually it's going fine. I have adjusted to it and everything is going good. So yeah, by far I don't have much to say about it, but I still should include that thing कि 2024 में I moved out. Moved out बोलना थोड़ा गलत होगा, like I'm staying in a PG. So yeah, that's all. Also, when I was talking about friendships, I literally should mention my roommate. She's the sweetest person I know. Like, we have so much fun. We had one more roommate, but she shifted to another building due to some reasons. We three had a lot of fun, and now both of us, me and my roommate, we have so much fun. I cannot explain you guys, but yeah, you will see her in my vlogs, I guess. So yeah, that will be all. So that's like a very good thing that happened in 2024. Actually, 2024 ka first half was really bad, but the second half was really good. I think that's how I would define my 2024. First half was like very weird, but the second half made up for it. The second half of 2024 was really good, bhai. Um, so that is it. And the major thing that happened in 2024, which also goes to my highlights, is my cousins. Okay, I rekindled with my cousins in a huge way. So, if you don't know, Diwali or Kali Puja is that one time in the whole year where I have the most fun. ठीक है, इस साल वैसे दुर्गा पूजा maybe I had a lot of fun. I went out with friends because I'm in college right now. अभी मैं थोड़ी like outgoing हो रही हूँ. So I went with my friends. I had a lot of fun. So in Kali Puja, I have the most amount of fun. Okay, and that is because my cousins come. We meet up in my grandfather's house, जहाँ पे हमारा खुद का like generational like ऐसे काली पूजा होता है. ठीक है, and we stay there for 2-3 days and we have so much fun. But this year, you know what? It did not end in Diwali. उसके बाद we had back to back like 3-4 plans and we had so much fun. So there's my brother. one of my elder brother who lives in UK, and he came this year after I think 2-3 years. हम फिर से मिले, and he is like a gem. Okay, he is like that spirit, that energy that you will need to lift yourself up in any kind of situation. You know what I mean? He has that charm. Okay, so after a long time we met. हम सब ने बहुत मज़े किए. We had so much fun. We had plans back to back. I could never imagine मैं अपने cousins के साथ इतना मज़ा कर पाऊँगी. But yeah, that happened, and that is definitely the best part of 2024. Nothing else. Okay, so that goes in my highlights. And what else? So we had plans from like October, ठीक है, Kali Puja, Durga, Diwali and all, and then I had my Didi's wedding, which was so much fun. ठीक है, we stayed there for like 3-4 days, full हल्दी, संगीत, हल्दी, शादी, रिसेप्शन and everything. ठीक है, अपने घर की शादी, जो मज़ा आता है उसमें. I danced. I danced in a Sangeet ceremony. My younger self could never even think about it. Like, you won't understand how I'm feeling or why I'm saying it like this, but I could never imagine dancing in a Sangeet wearing a lehenga for the first time in front of people. I've never worn a lehenga in my life. This year I wore a lehenga for my Didi's Shadi and Sangeet. That was also a highlight, guys. I forgot to say. So it was really fun. I have never been to a proper खुद की घर की शादी जहाँ पे I'll attend, like I'll be there for like every event. ठीक है, एकदम से. So that happened this year finally. It was so much fun. Me and my cousins made some unforgettable memories, and बहुत मतलब I cannot imagine, like I cannot explain to you guys. Okay, so that happened. To the fifth thing, which is my mistakes. So my mistakes this year would be, first, I have this issue where I'm very stuck with the past. ठीक है, I don't know how to like completely detach from things, from people, or like cut off myself. ठीक है, मेरे को वो आता नहीं है ठीक से, which I'm trying to build, but I don't know why, but I'm very stuck to my past. Know why, but memories तो है ही, but on the other hand, I am very stuck to the past, which is a mistake and which I want to rectify in the next year. Second thing is, of course, studying late and just like breaking my discipline for stuff going on in my mind. How, I don't know how to explain this, but क्या होता है ना कि whenever I get some mess in my mind and मेरा ऐसे mood off हो जाता है, so I just stop doing my work, which is not right, and that is not discipline. So I want to I don't want to do that in the next year. No matter what, our work should always go on. That's what I believe. So I think I'm going to rectify that in 2025 also. Ki no matter what happens, nothing can affect my productivity, nothing can affect my work, my studies, and everything. So yeah. And my learnings. The last thing is my learnings. मेरे को mistakes और कुछ याद आ नहीं रहे, but I've done a lot. Trust me, I've done a lot, but I can't specify everything because पर्सनल हो जाएगा, फिर बहुत ज़्यादा पर्सनल हो जाएगा, एंड आई कैन नॉट शेयर एवरीथिंग. बट या, एंड लर्निंग्स तो यही है कि जस्ट हैव फन. ठीक है, मैंने ये बहुत सीखा इस साल कि हैव फन बाय योर सेल्फ, विद अदर पीपल जिनको तुम ट्रस्ट करते हो उनके साथ. हैव फन, लिव अ लाइफ, एंड just don't stop yourself always. Don't be hard on yourself, which I am very much capable of. मैं मतलब I'm very hard on myself. ठीक है, मैं छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को लेके बहुत गिल्टी फील करती हूँ, अपने आप को कोसती रहती हूँ, बट आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट नॉट टू डू दैट. Don't always blame yourself for anything and everything that happens in your life. Everything is not in your hand, everything is not in your control. The things that are in your hand, try your best to have control over them, बट जो नहीं है उसको लेके बैठे रहना,
लेकिन सपने को लेकर के बैठे रहना।
yeah. And one more learning is that this year from 2025 I'm starting to manifest, I'm starting manifestation properly, and मैं अपना vision board भी बनाने की सोच रही हूँ, so उसका वीडियो भी आएगा I guess. But just have faith in yourself, in the universe, and just keep doing your work, keep having fun, because that's life. And one more thing is that life happens, you will never know what situation is going to come your way and what's going to happen. Go with the flow sometimes, ठीक है. Go with the flow sometimes. हर चीज़ प्लान करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. Wait for life giving you surprises, ठीक है. And things happen in your life, in everybody's lives, and eventually we all get over it. Eventually we all move on. I think that will be all about my 2024. बहुत लंबा वीडियो हो गया, but I really had a lot to say. So I'm really looking forward to 2025. I can't wait. But yeah, that will be all for this video. This is the last video of 2024. I'll see you guys in the I'll see you guys next year. I'll see you in 2025. Let's go. We'll have a great year together. Many new videos will come. Please subscribe and share with your friends. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Love you. And happy New Year. Bye.